Good morning. Welcome to day 24 of our 28 days of Airstream renovation. Goran and I are headed out to go pick up a couple of things for our projects today. So let's go. Say good morning. We are on our way to go pick up some wiring stuff for our electrical system. Goran, why don't you explain what we need?
Oh, we need some wiring stuff.
Because we have no electricity right now we
had to disconnect our incoming shore power, so our AC stuff is down. And actually our DC stuff is down too. We had to take the batteries out because we had to take the batteries out. The battery boxes need to be torn out. So we have much better replacement stuff for all that, but we need some bits and pieces to hook it all up that we didn't have yet. So I ordered the wrong kind of cable, so I ordered some new cable from a very reliable supplier that has it available for me quickly due to my business. So we're going to pick that up, and then we're going to hook up a bunch of cool things.
It's a circus.
Yeah.
Sorry, I love circuses.
So yeah, we're picking up that. I got a little enclosure so we can tie some things together in the back where the power comes in. Right now it's just a very simple little single gang half height box for a couple splices. We're gonna put in some professional looking cord grips, make it watertight, nice gasketed seal. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be great. You're gonna love it.
You're gonna love it. So that's where we're heading right now.
Camping world.
Oh, camping world. Release the current. Oh, that's really easy. Bringing this dusty ass spare tire to Just Tires. We cannot find an appointment for getting our RV tires put on until August. So what we're gonna do is pull them off, careful, individually, and bring them over to Just Tire and get them put on. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be great. All right, guys, we're leaving Just Tires, and they let us know something really cute. So we can pull our trailer. They have a driveway that goes all the way around the back, and we can pull our trailer up there and take the tires off one by one, and they will change them for us. It'll take a little bit of time, but at least we'll get it done before our trip, and we'll have brand new tires to go on, which is very assuring. Here's the little driveway they're talking about.
That's where we're gonna.
Yep.
The pit crew style.
Yeah, we could pull it right here. Let's do a lap. So that's the door we would go in right there.
Yeah,
but we could.
Perfect. We'll just pull it by this curb.
Yeah.
A little bit away so we can deal with the tires and.
And then when we're done, we can just pull it all the way around.
Yeah, that should work pretty good.
Oh yeah. Just Tire is great. So if you need trailer tires in a pinch, they can get you the Goodyear Endurance tires. At least that's what we need for our Airstream, and get it done for you. All right, so I also wanted to talk a little bit about Camping World, which is what we went to earlier. So Camping World was amazing. We thought it was just going to be like a camping store, but it ended up being like an RV place. I know this is dumb for people that have been there before, but we had never been there before, and it's right down the street from our house. So that was super exciting. We ended up signing up for their club, and they had 3 options. We did the third option. It was $79.99, and you get 15% off of propane fills. You get free dump station dumps at their place. You get discounts on all of the Good Sam campgrounds that are around. I think there's like 1,200 locations in the United States and Canada. And you also get the discounted prices, which is a lot, at each store and also at Gander. So, oh, and with the $79.99, you end up getting $30 of that back in the mail. I'm sure it's probably not, it's probably like a, here, spend this at Camper World, but whatever, you know, that's cool. So we got that and we're super excited about it. So that was an awesome trip. You really liked it there.
That was a great trip. I think
you were like in a kid in a candy store.
You should consider renaming that place to RV World or something. Camping World made it sound like we're shopping
didn't
for
it have like an RV
tents
world?
And sleeping bags, which they probably also had. So I guess Gander Mountain and them are the same company. This is just RV kind of specialized. So Camping World,
yeah,
for all your RV needs.
Yeah. At least one spot for all your RV needs. So that's going to be it for day 24. Day 25 is going to be very eventful. We have a lot of stuff going on and hopefully our floors are going to be finished too. So if you have not hit that subscribe button yet, I mean, come on, we're on day 24. It's time to hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it. So you will be notified whenever we release a new video and we will see you tomorrow. All right, bye.
Bye.